Yeah. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. Hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. That means here, let me draw the diagram first. But before drawing the diagram, let me make you very clear that a vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a cylinder. See, if hemisphere is mounted on cylinder means hemisphere will be on the top. Remember my statement. Okay, observe the sentence here. If hemisphere is mounted on cylinder means hemisphere will be on the top. But here it was given that hemisphere mounted by cylinder. Hemisphere mounted by cylinder. Hemisphere mounted by cylinder. That means cylinder is on the top. Now listen here. Let me draw the diagram. Yeah. Now see here. So this is our hemisphere part. So this will be our cylinder. Now read the statement. Again question. The diameter of hemisphere is 14 centimeter. See very clearly here the diameter of hemisphere means 40 centimeter, but it doesn't mean that cylinder is having one more diameter. Because here cylinder is mounted on hemisphere. That means they can be mounted perfectly only if they are having same diameter. So that means if diameter of hemisphere is 14 centimeter, then definitely diameter of cylinder will also be 14 centimeter. So if diameter is equal to 14, then a radius is equal to d by 2. That will become 14 by 2, that is equal to 7 centimeter. So radius is equal to 7 centimeter. So this radius 7 centimeter is common for both hemisphere and cylinder. Remember me, whenever two figures are joined or mounted one upon other or joined perfectly, then they will have common radius. Even though in question it may be mentioned that that will be having a radius of they'll give a radius of hemisphere or radius of cylinder, but that radius is common for both figures clearly. If two figures are joined or mounted one upon another, that means that they are having same common radius. Okay, even if the data of other figure is not given, we should realize that they are having the same radius and same diameter, then we have to take same radius for calculations. Okay. Now, here clearly it was given that the diameter of hemisphere is 14 centimeter. Diameter of hemisphere is 14 centimeter means even diameter of cylinder is also 14 centimeters because they are mounted. Mounting means they will have common radius. And the total height of vessel is 13 centimeters. See here. Total height. Total height is 13 centimeter. Total height is 13 centimeter. Now, see, okay, if total height is 13 centimeter, we know that hemisphere will have same common radius entire through its shape. Okay, now this will be 7, this will also be 7, this will also be 7, this will also be 7 because it's a sphere. Sphere means it will be having same common radius from center to any outer part. So this will also be 7. So this will be 7. and the total height is 13 centimeter. It is total height of vessel. It is 13 and height of hemisphere is 7. And if the height of hemisphere is 7, the remaining height of cylinder will be 6 centimeter. Okay, that you can write here. See, given diameter, given diameter of hemisphere, given diameter of hemisphere, given diameter of hemisphere is equal to 14 centimeter. Then radius of hemisphere, radius of hemisphere is equal to 14 by 2, that is equal to 7 centimeter. If radius of hemisphere is equal to 7 centimeter, then radius of cylinder is also 7 centimeter because it is mounted, common radius. Okay, now you know radius of hemisphere and also we know radius of cylinder. Now see here, height of cylinder, especially height of cylinder is equal to total height of vessel 13 minus radius of hemisphere 7, so it is equal to 6 centimeter. Now what we have to find in this question? In this question we have to find inner surface area of the vessel. Inner surface area of the vessel. Inner surface area. Inner surface area of the vessel. Inner surface area of the vessel. See, even though it is inner surface area or outer surface area, for this type of figure it is same, because inner surface area means the surface area means where we can touch with our hand. Okay, where the part of the figure or the part of the shape where we can touch the figure. Now here inner surface means the surface area of cylinder and surface area of hemisphere. That too, we are not bothered about total surface area, because total surface area should be calculated only if we can able to touch the end part also. But it is hollow cylinder. It was clearly mentioned in the question that it is hollow cylinder. So we should not calculate total surface area. అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాను, వాడు ఓవరాల్ ఫిగర్ యొక్క సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా అడిగాడు. ఓవరాల్ ఫిగర్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఏమవుతుంది మనకి, సిలిండర్ యొక్క లేటరల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా అండ్ హెమిస్పియర్ యొక్క కర్వ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా. ఎందుకంటే టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఎప్పుడు మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయలేం. ఎందుకు టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఎప్పుడు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే ఆ ఫిగర్ కంప్లీట్ గా క్లోజ్ అయిపోయిండాలి. అంటే కర్వ్డ్ పార్ట్ పైన టాప్ బేస్ పార్ట్ కూడా కంప్లీట్ క్లోజ్ అయ్యింటేనే టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా కనుక్కుంటాం. లేదంటే always we will find lateral surface area. Okay, clear. Now one more hint ఏంటంటే 2 or 3 figures ఇలా జాయిన్ అయినప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా అంటే we should calculate their lateral surface areas only. Okay, because we cannot touch total, all the parts. ఇప్పుడు హెమిస్పియర్ ఉంది, దీనిపైన సిలిండర్ ఉంది. హెమిస్పియర్ క్లోజ్ చేసేస్తే సిలిండర్ ఎలా పెట్టగలుగుతాం? హెమిస్పియర్ క్లోజ్ చేయట్లేదు. హెమిస్పియర్ క్లోజ్ చేయట్లేదు కాబట్టి టీఎస్ఏ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి, ఓన్లీ ఎల్ఎస్ఏ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం సిలిండర్ ఉంది. ఓకే, సిలిండర్ ని పైన కింద క్లోజ్ చేసేస్తే దెన్ హెమిస్పియర్ పెట్టి ఉపయోగం ఏంటి అంటే సిలిండర్ ని మనం క్లోజ్ చేయట్లేదు. సిలిండర్ విల్ బి ఓపెన్ బికాస్ ఇట్ ఇస్ హాలో. అంటే ఇది హాలోనే ఓపెన్, ఇది హాలోనే ఓపెన్. సో కాబట్టి దీనికి ఎల్ఎస్ఏ కనుక్కోవాలి, దీనికి సిఎస్ఏ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఓకే, so it will be curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. So curved surface area of cylinder అంటే మనకి ఫార్ములా వచ్చేసి ఏంటి ఫార్ములా? కర్వ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ సిలిండర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH బికాస్ ఎందుకు గ్యాప్ ఇచ్చానంటే కర్వ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఆఫ్ సిలిండర్, సిలిండర్ అంటే పైప్ ఓపెన్ చేసి వెళ్ళగట్ రెక్టాంగిల్, బేస్ ఏమో 2 pi R, సర్కంఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్, హైట్ ఏమో H, 2 pi RH ప్లస్ CS ఆఫ్ హెమిస్పియర్ ఫార్ములా ఇట్ విల్ బి 2 pi r square. Hemisphere C is a 2 pi r square. Hemisphere T is a 3 pi r square. Now 2 into pi keep as it is, and r, we know that r is 7. Is it right? Yeah, 7. Into height of cylinder is 6. Plus 2 pi, already we have taken it as common multiple, and r square, that means 7 square. So now if you can calculate it, 2 into 22 by 7 into 42 plus 49, it will become 2 into 22 by 7 into 42 plus 49, it will become uh, 50, 91, 91. Now 7 ones are 7 13s are. So 2 into 13 into 22. That means 52 into 11. Yeah, or 26 into 22. So that means 52 into 11. 572 centimeters square. Since I know the trick of multiplying with 7, I will never multiply with 22 directly. Instead, I will transfer this 2 to this side. 26 2s are equal to 52. 52 11s are equal to 572. Okay. 11 to multiply is చాలా easy. First number, last number. మధ్యలో ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. 5 plus 2 7. 52 into 11 అంటే first number, last number. మధ్యలో ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేసేయండి. 572. That's it. So this will be our total surface area of the solid. Thank you.